I generated stuff like this and also this and this as well. But you know what killed the whole vibe? Gemini has a limitation. So in this video, I've arranged a tutorial prompt pack that I will show you how to use Gemini with a business rotation. And this business rotation simply means you can use it unlimited and free in 2026. Without wasting time, this is our prompt pack and I'll be dropping it in the video description. I'm going to be using the prompt pack to show you exactly how you can execute using Gemini Nano Banana Pro for free without any money. Now, this is how we go about it. First of all, come to your search bar and search for Gemini Business. Okay, search for Gemini Business. I have two methods we're going to be exploring today. So first off, go ahead and click on the first one, which is called Gemini Business, and I'll be making the link available in the video description. Now, I'm going to sign in my email, and if you come for the first time, you'll be given an avenue to sign in your email, guys. So once you do this simple method I just showed you right here, there is something unique that Gemini is going to do for you. 31 days left in free trial. That means we have 31 whole days left for Kelvin Hustle to use and generate Nano Banana Pro images. Let us go ahead and test the prompt to be sure that this is actually true. So first off, let us copy the first prompt in our prompt pack over here, head back to Gemini Business, paste it over here. So you don't just paste it, you need to activate Nano Banana Pro, and here it is. So just click on try now and go ahead and paste your prompt. So we have now selected everything. Let's go ahead and paste and see what the Gemini Business Nano Banana Pro generates for us, guys. So the basic stuff and the core meaning of the video is how to generate Nano Banana Pro images for free, and we're going to be getting extra 31 days. Now, should in case you run out of limits on this Gemini Business, all you need to do is to create another account with another email and continue creating your stuff without any single stress using this. So let us see what is generated for us. If it has bungo, we have a very beautiful, high class and well edited picture of a man with a sword and also a cheetah with him. Now this is just absolutely beautiful, and we're not going to be stopping at just one generation. We're going to be trying another generation. Now it also works like normal Gemini. You can download your images, it can be saved here for you, and you can use it with your team. It's like a plan, a business plan that you can use with your team members. You can invite your team members to use it. I can go ahead and invite my team members. So let us test another prompt before I will explore the second place that we can get Nano Banana Pro for free without any single payment, and it's going to be giving us the high quality. Now let us go ahead. You need to be very, very careful with what you describe because it might not comprehend it if you use rough words. So let us go ahead and hit it and see what the Gemini Business Nano Banana Pro generate for us. This is our Telegram. Join our Telegram channel. This is our Telegram channel right here. And we upload prompt, back-to-back prompt, new prompts on how we can get this done, how to get it done in the AI world, the tutorial, getting the Nano Banana prompt and rest. You're going to be getting it here, so join it ASAP. Alright, so you can see we have a mystical picture of more like a action-packed movie poster. Like this is a poster of a movie and it was generated solely using this Nano Banana Pro on the business plan. Free 31 days trial that is available for you. Now, like I said, once this is finished, you can go ahead and activate another one. So you can generate as much as possible you want within this 31 days. And once you are done with this, you go ahead and use another email called business rotation. With that being said and done, let us move to the second method on how we can use the Nano Banana Pro for free. So head on to your search bar over here and write LM Arena. Okay, this is what we're going to be using for this particular one. So search and the first link over here, click on it and it will take you somewhere. Now, you need to create an account. Some people use this best with Incognito, but I'm using it and I'm going to be signing it before I use it. I'll sign in before I use our product. So click ahead and log in, and then I'm going to be continuing with my mail. So verify you are a human. Alright, so we have signed in the LM Arena. Now we're going to be starting our generation, and there are things you need to pay attention to. It is very, very important. You can go ahead and follow the LM Arena, and I have no affiliation. This is not a promotion. This is just my research, and I found this to talk about it. This video is basically for educational purposes, so have that in mind while using this. This is no advices or anything. So you might like to go ahead and click on the direct chat, Now we have different models. We have the 2.5 flash, which is the Gemini Nano Banana Pro generation. We have a lot of models right here that you can go ahead and use, but that is not what brought us today. We're going to be focusing on the business of today. Now, generation might vary, depends on the kind of prompt you give. So let us go ahead and start off with the first prompt we used earlier. And I might as well just use these two prompts to explore everything and explain everything detailedly for you all to understand and use. All right, so first off, the 2.5, Gemini 2.5, then go ahead and activate the image generation. Now, if you pay close attention at the model button, it has changed. You need to be careful with that because that might just give you something else compared to what you want. So let us go ahead and select our Gemini Nano Banana Pro. And then I'm going to be using the Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview Nano Banana. It's specified. So you want to paste this and you hit this, give it some time and your generation will start. Okay, so you can see it is generating. Give it a few seconds and you will have this beautiful design right here will be yours, and that's what we generated just now. You can go ahead and save your image and can also be used as the movie poster representation. And this is going to be saving you a lot of budget. You can also use your own particular image or your own photo for this, and the face will replace. I love this, it's superb, and I'm actually falling in love with it. Next up, we're heading up to the prompt 2, and let us try it. We're going to be using just these two prompts to evaluate everything straightforward. So let us see what it generates for us, and then we'll round up the video for today. The links are made available in the Telegram community, so just join the Telegram community and bingo, we have our creation. To an extent, I must be honest, this is really beautiful. This looks like Stranger Things, a character from Stranger Things, the poster, the background, and everything. The architecture, the designing, the every stuff is just on point, and I believe it's gonna be mind blowing to you as well. So just go ahead and use any of these. Tell me which one you benefit and which one you enjoy more. Do you enjoy the LM Arena or do you enjoy the Gemini business? But at the end of the day, we evaluated and we executed one mission, which is using Nano Banana Pro for free without any limitation. 100% unlimited, 100% legit. See you all next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out.